Go.
Here he is, Ted. He's coming
A lot of flopping that chain though. It brings up. Oh no. Come on.
Will you come visit?
I don't know. I like that fight.
I know, isn't it fun?
Well, good luck, Bob. I've been showing this at the block once word of me. That is cool.
Isn't that funny?
You're going straight down the street.
Oh.
That is killing. Better look.
He just walked. He walked.
You're up on right at that sign thing. That says stop. I stopped the first time. You're up on right? Wow, that's
Uh-oh.
What'd you? Pedal start this one.
No,
it's only going to go 1/10 of a mile.
He's got pedal started this time. He pedal started it. He was all excited. Better stop.
You have some wonderful asphalt pathways going down to Brighton that way.
That's right.
That is good. I got good one.
We could do something like that going around campus.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the problem is when you park it someplace
That's right.
and you're
lock
going
it
to
up
school,
good.
then somebody could steal it.
Yeah, yeah.
Or you think somebody steal it.
Yeah.
That is cool. That's cool. I want to get to the front camera. Turn down the horn again.
He's having so much fun. He's having so much fun.
Ryan's having a ball. I'm so thrilled that he got to do it. Okay, I'm ready. Something else there. Five.
This guy's got boxes full of pocket money. I went over there this morning and he closed up.
Now where should I take it? I think it's the high school. We turn around first? I guess it wouldn't be fair if I started from
You gotta start from a dead
Pedaling.
stop.
I gotta start from pedaling, eh?
Yeah, a dead stop.
You gonna start it? Right. You ready, old timer? Sure. Start your engine.
The fuel is
You
off.
won.
Keep going, Ted. You got him. You got him.
That one. Laps around.
Yeah.
You forgot to turn the fuel off.
Well, in a drag race, if you stall your engine, tough luck.
He forgot to turn his fuel on.